What is going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be doing some trout fishing in this little stream right here, creek, whatever you want to call it. It's mid-May right now. I'm in Colorado Springs. Well, really, this creek is about a couple miles up from Manitou Springs, Colorado. I've caught some brook trout in here before. All I'm going to be using today is a hook, sinker, and some worms. All right, for those watching who maybe don't trout fish streams and creeks, the way I've always really done it is, you know, you kind of want to get behind the pool and try to find any calm area. It's not really calm right there, it's more calm right there, but always just try to take the worm, drop it at the head of the stream. Wasn't a great cast there, but it's always how I've been taught. Kind of let it drift down naturally, make it look like a worm, and try to catch one. Oh, there's one. Oh, flew off. Man, it is ripping up there. Might be a bigger pool, but it kind of makes it harder to fish. When it's super fast flowing like that, there's just not many calm pools that you can really fish well, but nice brookie, let's go. Well, as I'm sitting here going back through the film, I realized that every fish I caught was a brown trout and not a brook trout. So yeah, just know I'm a dumbass and that they're brown trout, not brookies. Such a beautiful fish. Always love catching trout, brook trout especially. Let's get them back in the water. Yeah, trout are a very sensitive fish, so you really want to be careful with how long you keep them out of water, how you handle them as well. You don't want to get all the slime off of them, or try not to drop them in the dirt. And yeah, first one of the day. Yeah, I'm gonna head back downstream now. Just took a look up there. It's all just kind of pretty fast flowing, not many pools. With it still being May here, you know, there's still snow up on Pikes Peak and all the surrounding mountains, so it's kind of flowing pretty fast because all the snow melt that's still happening. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Ha! That is hilarious. I'm a freaking baby, bro. I kept hearing all this like rustling and like, not like a rattlesnake, but something. And of course it was just all this stuff I got on me making noise. Thought I was about to die. Just kidding. There's one. Ooh, let's go. Another brook trout. Come on, get off the ground, buddy. Beautiful. I'm all tangled up here. Let's go. Second fish of the day. Not a trophy, but again, these fish are just gorgeous. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back in the water. Oh, this pool looks money. Money. Several of them, actually. That spot looks nice right there. If I can just get my freaking line out there. There's one, come on. Let's go. Another little guy. Oh. There's one. Oh, that was a good fish. That was a good fish. I'm gonna see if I can't. I kind of hooked him a little bit, so I wouldn't be surprised if he doesn't come back. Oh, he came back. Oh, time for a new worm. Keep catching this damn tree. That's a good fish. Let's go. Another beautiful brook trout. That's what I love about fishing in Colorado, man. Just the views I get to have while catching fish are just ridiculous. I think it's the fourth one of the day. Ooh, look at those little gold flakes right there. That's pretty cool. There he goes. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that will conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. I had a blast out here. First time actually fishing since being back home in Colorado for trout anyway, so it's really good to get out here, rip some lips. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead, drop a like, comment, subscribe. I'll be posting some more videos this summer, whether it's fishing, hunting, or just being outside. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and see you guys later.